Zipa RX is the only device with breakthrough Z-Flex technology. It redirects the airflow, stopping snoring the very first night you use it, guaranteed. It's the miracle you've been waiting for.
It molds right to your mouth. It fits very comfortably.
This is the sound I used to hear. Yes, but thanks to Zipa, I don't hear that anymore.
Oh my God.
Comfortable. It's dentist designed and cleared by the FDA. It's safe and effective. The Zipa RX also comes with our guide to a better night's sleep and this protective travel case. So visit ZipaRx.com or call the number on your screen.
So stop the snoring and bring the whoopee back into your bedroom.